Morning, it's a Saturday and we are back here. As I left it off with last night, we basically, this mount down here, let me see if I can zoom in a little for you. That mount down there, see the hole doesn't quite align very well, so I need to tweak that. And then now the drive shafts, which I'll show you, they align a bit better. Wow, zoom out, there we go. But I reckon I can make that better. So, and then the long one's in as well. So, yeah, we're getting there. Lifting the engine up a bit is going to be the key to this, I think. So yeah, so that's the plan for today. And then I've got to make up all these spacers to space the engine up properly, to make them properly out of discs. Same with down there. And yeah, it's kind of where we're going to be at, really. So yeah, stick around and I'll update you. I might even show you me doing some work, actually, instead of me just talking bollocks about it. So anyway, right, see you soon. I've raised it 15mm aside now, as you can see. So these are temporary in there. I'm getting them made. These discs made already. Get them laser cut and stuff, only about £2 a disc. It's easier than me wasting time doing that. Also done the same down there, removed the hole, so I've got to weld up the old hole. But overall now, the shafts are sitting okay-ish. You know, there's others that have done the same conversion as this, and their shafts are an acuter angle than that, so all is not lost. So the next problem is we now got to sort out all the engine mounts that I fixed before. Now I need to redo them, but what this has done though is I now have space between the exhaust and the bulkhead, which makes all the difference. So yeah, 1 step backwards, well 5 steps backwards, 3 steps forward. So yes, the next plan is to get this down here sorted out, and that should hold the engine in place, and then I can then dick around getting those ones nailed. So yeah, right, so a bit more grinding, a bit more welding, it's all fun on a Saturday morning. We are back. I've modified that bottom mount, it looks a bit crap, my welding, but I tied it up. I've got a TIG welder, and my TIG welding's pretty neat, as you've probably seen in the past video. Some of it's sketchy at times, but that's normally due to I can't be bothered. Well no, it's actually due to I'm shit, I don't really know what I'm doing. I get lucky sometimes with some welds. But as I know, I bought a MIG welder, and I've run out of gas for the TIG, so I'm using the MIG, and I don't really know what I'm doing. So, but I mean, we're getting better with the MIG. It's strong, but not particularly neat, but it's strong, so that's all that matters. So that's in. The engine's now sitting where it should be. As I showed before, drive shaft's looking good. And then we're back to this engine mount that probably don't need it. I'll show you down here. This one, so this is a big butchy style, because I don't really know what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to bin off the Sputnik because the engine in there is solid, so I don't really need anything else. So all that bit down there is a complete waste of time. But now with this bit, let's just put this in here. So we've got this arm goes in there, something like that, and then it will get kind of something that goes in there like that, and then it's going to get kind of welded. Something like that up there. It's got a rod through it, and then yeah, like that, somewhere like that. Actually, it's probably going to be a bit better than that. But yeah, that's the idea. I may have to cut a bit out, but that's the idea of it anyway. So I'm going to be making some more poly bushes tonight, this afternoon actually, and then yeah. So once I've got the poly bush in, that'll give me the swingy bit, and then I'll just kind of drop it in, and I'm probably gonna have to cut this corner off here so I get a nice angle up, and then that's going to take the engine, and that'll be it for as far as the engine mount's concerned. I've ordered the new discs for that, so that'll be in. So we're kind of nearly there really, on that front. Quite happy with how the engine's sitting. It's nice and square all the way through, it's nice and level. It's going to be sitting a bit higher than I wanted, to be honest, but then I don't have to build sump guards now. It gives my exhaust a bit more clearance, so this is going to have a bit of a bigger bulge on the back than I kind of anticipated, but not the end of the world. So yeah, that kind of rounds up the day really. Yeah, I'm kind of bored of doing engine mounts now. And now the other part I've got to do is, obviously you can see the exhaust down here now, so we're up higher. We're higher than we want to be, but that exhaust is still quite low, and I've got to work out how to get that round the corner up here past the drive shaft. So I don't know, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that yet. That's something to worry about, think about another day. It's probably going to be a flexi hose up to here, maybe. I can get a nice bit of flexi kind of up here, maybe come out here, and then when it comes out of there, down here, obviously this bar's coming out because it's all bent and buggered. I've got to cut it there because this bar's coming out as well. But yeah, the clearance is tight, but we'll get there. Do you like my demo spacers? Look at that. So yeah, we're kind of getting there, really. We're getting the hang of these thingies. I've also got the gear selector shafty thingy to make as well. Yeah, so we've got one of these gear selector cables comes over the top down here, kind of somewhere out here, somewhere, and then the other one comes from behind and goes like a gun. But yeah, all is well. Progress. That's all it is progress. Yeah. Right, anyway, I need to really do need to show you some actual stuff. It's all welding and cutting and me filing and making a mess in my garage. I don't know if you actually want to watch that, but anyway, right, time to crack on, and I'll catch you all in the next video. So please do make sure you like, share, subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I'll catch you all very, very soon.